How long do I need to cook frozen lobster tails without thawing?
Hello everyone and welcome back to our cooking channel. Today, we have a delicious seafood topic to discuss. How long should you cook frozen lobster tails without thawing them first? If you've found yourself with frozen lobster tails and no time to thaw them, don't worry. We'll guide you through the process so you can still enjoy a mouth-watering lobster dish. Let's get started.
The importance of cooking frozen lobster tails without thawing.
Before we dive into the cooking process, let's understand why it's important to cook frozen lobster tails without thawing them. Lobster tails are delicate and can quickly lose their quality if thawed improperly. Cooking them directly from frozen helps retain their texture, flavor, and juiciness. So, by skipping the thawing step, you're ensuring a tastier outcome.
Preparing frozen lobster tails for cooking.
To begin, ensure your frozen lobster tails are properly cleaned. Rinse them under cold water to remove any ice crystals or debris. Once cleaned, you may want to use kitchen shears to carefully cut the shell along the top to expose the meat for easier consumption later on. Remember to take caution while handling the sharp shell.
Cooking frozen lobster tails.
Now, let's move on to the most important part, cooking the frozen lobster tails. We have two popular methods to choose from. Method 1. Steaming. Steaming is a gentle and effective way to cook frozen lobster tails. Here's how you can do it. 1. Fill a pot with about 2 inches of water and bring it to a boil. 2. Place a steamer basket or a colander over the pot, making sure it doesn't touch the water. 3. Arrange the frozen lobster tails in the steamer basket and cover the pot with a lid. 4. Steam the lobster tails for approximately 8 to 10 minutes, or until the meat is opaque and firm to the touch. 5. Remove the lobster tails from the steamer and let them cool for a moment before serving. Method 2. Boiling. Boiling is a quicker method that also produces delicious results. Here's how you can boil frozen lobster tails. 1. Fill a large pot with water and bring it to a rolling boil. 2. Add salt to the boiling water for added flavor, if desired. 3. Place the frozen lobster tails in the pot and boil them for about 6 to 8 minutes. 4. To check if the lobster tails are cooked, carefully remove one from the pot, cut into the meat, and ensure it's opaque and cooked through. 5. Once cooked, use tongs to remove the lobster tails from the pot and let them cool down slightly before serving. And there you have it. Cooking frozen lobster tails without thawing them is a convenient and delicious way to enjoy this delightful seafood delicacy. Whether you choose to steam or boil them, remember to keep an eye on the cooking time to achieve perfectly cooked lobster tails. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has been helpful in your culinary adventures. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting recipes. Happy cooking!